10 foods that will make you lose weight fast. What prevents some people from losing weight is the fear of starving themselves. But what if we can show you certain foods that you can eat regularly to lose weight without starving yourself? In this video, we have lists of 10 foods that you can eat regularly to lose weight fast without starving yourself. There are thousands of diets based on many different beliefs about nutrition and weight loss. However, common sense dictates that getting rid of excess fat mostly involves consuming fewer calories than you burn. The problem lies in finding the right foods to minimize your calorie consumption and help you lose weight without having to starve yourself. Here are some of the most common foods that will fill you up and help you lose weight fast. 1. Eggs. Eggs have very few calories, considering all the other nutrients you get from eating them. A typical egg has several essential vitamins and minerals, as much as 6 grams of protein, but only 72 calories. Plus, eggs can keep you full. A study published by the International Journal of Obesity in 2008 shows that dieters felt fuller and consumed as much as 105 calories fewer throughout the day when they had eggs rather than bagels for breakfast. 2. Fish. Eating fish instead of steak can significantly lower your daily calorie consumption. For example, a typical 8-ounce sirloin steak is about 300 calories, while cod of the same weight only has 186 calories. The amount of protein in both is comparable at 40 to 45 grams. 3. Oatmeal. Because of its high fiber content, oatmeal helps you feel full quickly and for longer periods. That means you can eat less throughout the day. Additionally, a half-cup serving of rolled oats has only 148 calories after cooking. That serving size is also enough to give you 5.5 grams of protein. 4. Popcorn. Popcorn is low in calories yet incredibly filling. That makes it one of the best options for snacks when on a diet. 1 cup of plain or salted popcorn contains only 31 calories, while the same serving of your typical potato chips contains approximately 140 calories. 5. Potatoes. Potatoes might not be among your typical diet foods because of their high starch content. However, it's precisely those starches that helps you feel sated for longer. So even if you consume a whole baked potato, that's only 161 calories, and that should be enough to keep you full for hours. Just be sure to avoid fatty options like potato chips and fries. 6. Soup. Whether you have soup as a starter or as a full meal, you can reap its incredible weight loss benefits. Although soups come in many forms, anything apart from the creamy versions can help you lose weight. Its water content helps you feel full faster, and the typical ingredients help keep your stomach from emptying quickly. 7. Yogurt. High-quality yogurt can help you lose weight by curbing your food cravings. Greek yogurt is especially beneficial because it improves your gut health and gives you plenty of protein. Generally, a single 150-gram serving of Greek yogurt will total only 110 calories, but give you up to 12 grams of protein. 8. Legumes. Legumes, like lentils, peas, and beans, are very filling. Additionally, they provide incredible nutrition in exchange for only a few calories. When prepared, a full cup of lentils contains about 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber, for only 230 calories. 9. Berries. Berries are high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, they have high water and fiber content, allowing you to feel full sooner. They are also rich in pectin, which helps you feel full for a more extended period after eating. Among the best options are blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Half a cup of fresh blueberries contains only 40 calories, while the same serving of blackberries only contains 31 calories. 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are generally regarded as a superfood because a 1-ounce serving, approximately 2 tablespoons, contains as much as 10.6 grams of fiber and 4.4 grams of protein. You get all that nutrition for only 137 calories. The best part is that chia seeds can absorb more than 10 times its own weight in water. Because of this, it helps you stay sated for longer. The problem with the typical calorie-restricted diet is that they often keep dieters hungry and craving for food. Because of that, they're unlikely to do it for long enough to make a huge impact. However, these foods that will make you lose weight fast are also very filling. That means you don't have to go hungry while trying to consume fewer calories. Consequently, it means it's easier for you to stick with your diet. Here are the study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.